If your Honda Ridgeline's Apple CarPlay is glitching or won't connect, you're not alone, but most fixes take less than 5 minutes. Surprisingly, over two-thirds of CarPlay connectivity problems are traced back to using a non-certified or damaged lightning cable. Before you tear apart the dashboard, let's start with the simplest software reset steps. Follow these 4 steps to clear any software handshaking errors between your iPhone and the Honda head unit. Check your phone's internal settings, as Siri must be enabled and screen time restrictions must be turned off for CarPlay to launch. Physical obstructions like lint in your phone's port or using the wrong USB slot in the truck are frequent hidden causes. If you have a newer Ridgeline with wireless CarPlay, the troubleshooting shifts from cables to signal interference and pairing lag. A simple cable swap or infotainment reset fixes 75% of all reported Ridgeline connection issues. For stubborn cases, you can enter the hidden diagnostic menu to clear the system's deep cache. Keep an official Apple cable and some compressed air in your glove box to handle port issues on the go. Remember, rebooting your phone and the truck's head unit should always be your very first step. If these steps didn't work, it might be time for a dealership firmware flash. Drive safe and stay connected.